Oh hey, just taking a quick break from sewing, but I'm not done. Guess what? I got some more stuff from the Goodwill. Okay, so this one is going to be slightly different. I have some new materials that I'm going to make something out of, and I'm going to make a coat this time. I purchased a coat pattern from Etsy from this seller. I think her name is Julie Chantal. I will put her information in the description box in case you want to check her out. She sells a lot of different patterns, but I wanted to make a coat out of this specific material that I have, which happens to be 2 twin size comforters, they match, and 2 pillowcases. I wanted to try to make up a coat design, but then I'm like, no, let me see what designs are already available and modify it if I need to. I found this coat. It's a gunslinger coat. She designed this pattern. I purchased it from her, from Julie Chantal, from Etsy. I think I'm gonna make the gunslinger vest also. I purchased that as well. The prices will be there. I don't remember how much I paid, but reasonable prices. So I'm getting ready to follow her design for the most part, to make this coat out of this comforter material. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can see all those stitch lines in there. Inside here, it has, of course, the green layer, and then there's like the batting in the middle, and then there's this layer. This would be the top of the comforter. I want this to be the inside lining. Her pattern has a lining, but I don't think I need a lining, and I want this to be the inside lining. Take a nice good look at this because it's pretty. 2 of these before we go. These are twin size comforters, matching. I got them from the Goodwill. I'm pretty sure this set was less than $10, and 2 matching pillowcases. And I inspected them. I don't see any stains or anything anywhere on any of this stuff. So very good materials to work with. Here's the other side of the pillowcase. So this side has like, yeah, there you go. There's no lines or anything. It's just straight material. The other side of the pillowcase does still have the quilting look with the additional stitching in there. And then the pillowcase is just open like this. Has a nice zipper, so I'll be able to repurpose this zipper. Modifying the pattern just slightly in some ways. And if you want to see how I'm going to do all this, I kind of want to know what I'm going to do too, but if you're interested, keep watching. And I thank you for being here. Thank you so much for all of your support, for all of your views, all your comments, all your wonderful words of encouragement. So very much appreciated. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, stay tuned for the reveal, obviously, at the end. So, assuming all goes well, there will be a nice little reveal at the end. So again, thank you, and I'll see you next time.